function is a text function and it is a most useful function. So suppose example, we have some number or a date. I wanted to change the format of this particular due date. Like, I'll start with a text function. So it convert your text into some specified numbers on the basis of whatever inputs you are providing to Excel. Select this text, and in inverted quotes I'm just mentioning D. See what's happening. It is giving me a day for that particular day and in 3-digit format. And if I'm changing it to DD MMYY, it will give me a format. Or if you change this YY to 4Y, it will give you the format as per the requirement. So we have a different format. Like if you see here, I have selected 3 times month, 2 times day, and 1 time year. So it will give me a format like this. Some different country follow a different rules. So you can use like this, or if you wanted to follow a day, date, month and year, so you can write in extension a text format is like this, or simply DMMYY. Or if you wanted to know a full day, you can type these number of many D. And if you have number, like we have a number here, you can format a different like if you wanted to 2-digit A3, that is you have to select your text and the number format is this. Again, some percentage format, or if you wanted some dollar format, you can go different formats. You can see we have some very different formats. You can learn many format explain, because this is the most important thing. Second part, format text, because on the basis of input you are providing, Excel will return the value and it will store value as this in Excel.